Hi everyone, in this video I will show you PagePilot Shopify Tutorial for Beginners. So this is the website of PagePilot. You just have to type PagePilot and this is what it looks like. By the way, with the aid of PagePilot.ai, you may test and launch e-commerce goods more quickly. All you have to do is copy and paste the product link from another Shopify store or the AliExpress URL, and they will use artificial intelligence or AI to create a distinctive landing page that converts well in a matter of minutes. So all you have to do is to create an account too. Once you have created your account, sign in your account to PagePilot, and this is what it looks like. So actually, PagePilot is so easy to understand. They have this step-by-step procedure here in order for you to connect your PagePilot to your Shopify. So here are the features, but we're focused on how to connect our or your PagePilot to your Shopify. Now, before anything else, you have to make sure that your Shopify is connected here so you can connect your Shopify, but you can also do that later. And this time we have to do the generate URL or generate product first. So tap generate here, this purple button, tap this one. And then you have two choices here. Choose product source from AliExpress, Shopify. So let's do first this AliExpress. So make sure that you have your AliExpress account and make sure also that PagePilot, Shopify, and AliExpress is in one tab only so that it would be easier for you. Now select that product that you wanted to import to your PagePilot. Like if you want to edit this to your PagePilot that later on you can add to your Shopify products. So let's just say this one right here. These are the information. And you have to go to this part, just copy the URL. Go back to PagePilot, right click and then paste. For this part, it's optional. And for the language, you can tap this arrow facing down and select the language that you want to use for your PagePilot account. But for this tutorial, let's just click or select English and then tap generate. And now it's loading product data. It means it's getting the information from AliExpress. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And now it's building up the product page. Later, you will see the product information inside the page pilot. Everything in AliExpress is, of course, imported here. The good thing about this is that you can change the image, you can change the description, you can change, you can add, you can delete everything here. For example, if you want to change this, tap this pencil icon and you can add word or anything you want. Also, same thing as the description below. So there's a huge advantage if you use this PagePilot AI. PagePilot AI lowers the expenses and saves time on content production by automating the description creation process. Okay, so that's it. You can also change everything here, also for pictures. Also, PagePilot uses AI to automate the creation of high converting pages, which dramatically accelerates the testing and launch of e commerce products. So, once you're okay with this, and then basically you can save everything or all the changes that you have made here in your PagePilot with your AliExpress product. You can also tap this one. If you tap actions here, you can see connect Shopify store, import an AutoDS view source, and download HTML. Let's proceed to connect Shopify. So this is our main target here. So first you have to import your URL or Shopify store here and make sure that the Shopify is or the Shopify store is not expired or this is the correct Shopify store. You have to go to your online store and then copy the link of your Shopify store and paste it right here. And we will proceed with Shopify key. So once you have added or once you have connected your page pilot to your Shopify, then what we're going to do is we're going to get our Shopify key. So how are we going to do that? There is this instruction right here. All you have to do is to follow this. So it says go to your Shopify, go back to your Shopify, and then you have to go to your apps and sales channel. So you have to locate that. You can search it right here, or you can also go to your settings below. And then under settings, you will see this apps and sales channel. All you have to do is to tap that one. And if you forgot, you can go back and see the next step. So you have to click this develop apps, tap this. So number 2, click on app and sales channels. Next is click on develop apps button and then click on create an app and so on. So tap this one, develop apps, and then scroll down, click this, allow custom app development, and then click this again, allow custom app development. Okay, so after that, what you're going to do now is you have to click this create an app and you have to name this as PagePilot because this time we'll be using PagePilot platform. Okay, so after you tap or after you type PagePilot here, the next thing to do is you have to create application, wait for a couple of seconds, and here it is. The next thing to do, you have to go back to PagePilot and see what's the next step. Click on Configure Admin App or API. Tap this one and then click this Configure. Now you have to go back and then see what's next. So you have to check write products, read products, write themes, and read themes. So go back here, tap this one, and then scroll down. Again, you have to check this write products, write themes, and read themes. So let's go back here, scroll down, look for products. We have to check it. Also, after doing that, you have to scroll down and you have to look for themes. And then you have to check the read themes and write themes. And that's it. Now we can go back and see what's next. So after you have tapped or checked this, the next thing to do now is you have to scroll down and then save this or save the changes you have made. And then the next thing to do is that we're going to install this. So you can go or tap this next and see what is the next method here. And as you can see, it's about installation. So we have to go back to Shopify, click install app, click install again, wait for a couple of seconds, and then here is our Shopify key. So in order for you to get that, you just have to click the reveal token. Okay, so let's go back to Shopify, tap this one, and then you can now copy this token. This is our Shopify key. Click copy, and then go back to your page pilot, paste it right here, and then tap this button. Wait for a couple of seconds, and you will see that it is now connected to your Shopify store. So basically, you will see the store is password protected because I haven't upgraded my Shopify. I'm just using the basic version. So if you're using the upgraded version of Shopify, probably you will not see this. And all you have to do is to follow the same method, same instruction, and then you can use the page pilot anytime. You just have to add or import URL products right there, and then somehow you will see the products that you have changed, you have import, you have created in your page pilot on your Shopify product. So I strongly suggest that if possible, you upgrade your plan in Shopify to avoid this kind of notification. I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video tutorials.